But politics isn't like a corporate job where you give an interview and get in. We spoke about this earlier as well when you
Yeah,
spoke about your
yeah,
journey.
yeah.
But if a youngster today wants to enter the BJP, how can they enter this party and start working for it?
It's become easier. So, like I said, when I wanted to basically see what I can do in politics, I realized doors started opening up because now politics is not like the politics of the past. It's not just डंडे और झंडे वाली राजनीति जहाँ पर आप धरना देने जा रहे हो और बस यही आपकी राजनीति है. Now it has become a lot more. It is about policy, it is about communication, it is about tech, it is about creativity, posters, and the way you do the videos. I think whatever field you are from, there is a place for you to serve in BJP, and so many people in BJP now come from such diverse backgrounds. It's a wonder to see that. And when you want to be a part of politics, my simple suggestion is just start. Figure out where you are, local councillor कौन है या मंडल का अध्यक्ष कौन है. Just reach out, just start. It's actually become really easy. Or inbox a message to someone who works in your constituency and say, I would like to volunteer. Tell me next time you're doing an activity which I enjoy. And even activities are of all kinds. So you can do literally anything and everything that you enjoy doing and make it political. So I'll give you an example. Blood donation camps organize hote hain. You come from that kind of maybe an education background or a setup, you can be a part of that. There are education camps. There are so many initiatives at the social level that every political party does, and all of them are incredible and incredibly important to be a part of. College politics is a great beginning. I, of course, didn't do college politics. I was too busy lawyering then. But whenever it starts, I think it just goes upwards from there when your intentions are right. And you can't lose focus then. So politics is not like, you snap your fingers and you have this position. So if you meet a spokesperson today, trust me, a decade plus of hard work has gone behind making that person who they are today. You're not just put on a primetime debate instantly. It takes years and years of work to get there. And a lot of the times people don't see that work.
But being a spokesperson or when you are entering a political party and just starting your journey, it doesn't really pay your bills. So how do young politicians
It
balance
doesn't pay
that?
bills.
So how do
Not
young
at all.
politicians balance really the two?
Very badly. I think I balance it very badly. So you have to make the time to make sure that you are financially sustained. And you can either do that by relying on your family, if you're lucky, or you can do some kind of work that you can manage with the political life. And that's why a lot of politics is also part time, right? I practice law, so I do some legal work, and otherwise, I rely on my family to step in and help me when needed. But I do think that this is something all political parties need to consider. If you have young volunteers and they are full time with you, maybe you can look at paying them a stipend or helping them at least tide over with their basics. It'll go a long way in getting good young people into the political fold. And many people still do it because politics का ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कीड़ा है. अगर आपको वो कीड़ा है ना तो then you will persist and not give up and be a part of it. So we should make it easier. We should make it easier so that better and better people want to be a part of politics and they can do it in an honest and a clean manner.
Have you seen this kind of a stipend model anywhere in the world? I know you do travel a lot.
So
amongst
some political parties give a stipend to their full-time workers. In India, it doesn't happen. Like our major political parties, they don't offer that. But they offer us something which is far greater, far greater. So like I said, the platform on which I work, the scale at which working is possible in the days to come, that nothing else can give you, nothing else. So you learn to do without all the fancy things you thought you needed when you practiced law, at least like I'm talking from personal experience. So when you are billing clients for large amounts of money and you're spending that money, it's nice, it's fun, but beyond a point, meaningful work, I feel, is coming to me through the political platform only. And I'm happy to do without a fancy bag and all those things because at the end of the day, I live better. I feel better about everything. I think my mind is better occupied. I'm constructive. I want to do better things for the future. But you have to balance it. And that's why, every sensible politician will advise you first finish your education, find a means of livelihood, and then you jump into politics full time.
Fair enough. I think that's good advice for a lot of youngsters who are listening to this.
They must. You have to know how to sustain yourself. और एक बेसिक सी बात ना हमारे घरों में बोली जाती थी, अगर आप अपना ख्याल नहीं रख सकते, आप दूसरों के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So if you can take care of yourself, you'll take care of your family. If you can take care of yourself and your family, you'll be able to do so much for society, so much for the country. So खुद को तो सक्षम बनाना पड़ेगा ना.
True, absolutely.
Yeah.